Imagine a creature so vast it dwarfs the largest whales, yet so ethereal it seems to defy physical form. A ghost white ribbon stretching over 150 feet, coiling through the crushing pressures and eternal darkness of the midnight zone. As our remotely operated vehicle, or ROV, approaches, a chilling realization dawns. This isn't a single animal as we understand it. It's a living minefield, a collective entity composed of thousands of specialized stinging modules, each a clone, yet each playing a vital, terrifying role. This is the Siphonophore, a biological enigma that challenges everything we thought we knew about life itself. In the year 2020, during a deep-sea expedition off the coast of Western Australia, researchers peered into the abyss and encountered something truly extraordinary. A colossal spiral, shimmering faintly in the ROV's lights, unfurled before their eyes. It measured an astonishing 150 feet in length, instantly claiming the title of the longest animal ever recorded by traditional metrics. This monumental discovery, made in the vast, unexplored Perth Canyon, sent ripples of awe and intrigue through the scientific community and beyond. But the true marvel and the profound mystery lies in its very nature. This wasn't a singular, unified organism like a blue whale or a giant squid. Instead, it was a siphonophore, a colonial superorganism that blurs the lines between individual and collective. It forces us to confront fundamental questions. What truly defines an animal? What does it mean to be alive when your body is a decentralized network of specialized clones? This creature is a living paradox, a testament to evolution's boundless creativity in the most extreme environments. At the heart of the Siphonophore's existence is a concept both alien and brilliant: the zooid. Each segment of this immense ribbon is a genetically identical clone, yet each has evolved to perform a highly specific function within the colony. Think of it not as a single body with organs, but as a collective body made of individual living organs. This biological modularity is a masterclass in evolutionary adaptation, allowing for incredible efficiency and resilience in the harsh deep-sea environment. These zooids are not merely identical copies. They are a diverse army, each type a specialist. We find nectophores, the colony's propulsion engines, gastrozooids, its digestive systems, and dactylozooids, its formidable weapons. If one part of this vast, interconnected network is damaged or even dies, the colony often continues, seemingly unfazed. There is no central brain, no single point of failure, only a distributed intelligence that allows this superorganism to thrive. At the leading edge of this colossal entity are the nectophores, the colony's dedicated propulsion units. These zooids are nothing short of living jet engines, constantly contracting and expanding to pump water, propelling the entire 150-foot structure through the water column. What makes them truly astonishing is their extreme specialization. Nectophores have no mouths, no digestive systems of their own. They are entirely dependent on the rest of the colony for sustenance, kept alive by nutrients circulated from other zooids. This division of labor is a profound evolutionary gamble. Imagine a part of your body that could only move you, but couldn't feed itself. It highlights the Siphonophore's radical departure from conventional biology, showcasing a level of interdependence that is both awe-inspiring and deeply mysterious. How do these engines know where to go? How do they coordinate their pulses to maintain direction and speed without a central command center? The answers lie in the subtle chemical and mechanical signals exchanged across the colony, a silent, complex language of survival. Trailing behind the nectophores, the vast majority of the Siphonophore's length forms a terrifying, killing curtain. This is not a solid structure, but a delicate, almost invisible network of thousands upon thousands of dactylozooids, each trailing a long, stinging tentacle. These tentacles are armed with nematocysts, microscopic harpoons loaded with potent neurotoxins, ready to fire at the slightest touch. It's a biological marvel of passive predation, a living, drifting net designed to ensnare any unsuspecting prey that blunders into its path. Imagine a spider's web, but scaled up to an unimaginable degree, stretching for hundreds of feet through the dark ocean. This isn't just a trap, it's a highly efficient distributed hunting mechanism. The sheer scale and silent lethality of this curtain of death are a stark reminder of the brutal elegance of deep-sea survival. For any small fish or crustacean, encountering this shimmering, almost imperceptible wall of venomous threads means instant paralysis and an inevitable end. When a hapless creature, perhaps a small fish or a shrimp, makes contact with the siphonophore's deadly curtain, the dactylozooids spring into action, delivering their paralyzing venom. Once immobilized, the colony's gastrozooids, the stomach zooids, move in. These specialized feeding polyps engulf the prey, initiating the digestive process. But here's where the collective nature truly shines. The nutrients extracted from the meal aren't just for the gastrozooids themselves. Instead, a sophisticated internal pipeline system distributes these vital nutrients throughout the entire colony. This central circulatory network ensures that every zooid, from the hungry nectophores at the front to the stinging dactylozooids, receives the energy it needs to function. It's a testament to the efficiency of this superorganism, where every individual contribution directly benefits the collective. This shared stomach concept is a radical departure from individual digestion, highlighting the siphonophore's unique evolutionary path. Why evolve such an extraordinary decentralized form of life? The answer lies in the unforgiving environment of the deep sea. In the abyssal plains, food is incredibly scarce, and the crushing pressure can reach over 4,000 pounds per square inch. To survive here, organisms must be incredibly efficient and adaptable. The siphonophore's strategy of becoming a giant living net maximizes its surface area, increasing its chances of encountering and capturing rare prey. By spreading its body across such a vast expanse, it effectively casts a wider net in a food-poor environment. This colonial structure also offers resilience against the immense pressures. Individual zooids are small and robust, and the flexible, fluid-filled nature of the colony allows it to withstand forces that would crush a rigid, singular organism. It's a perfect example of how extreme environments drive extreme, yet elegant, evolutionary solutions. Perhaps the most profound mystery surrounding the siphonophore is the question of its brain. With no central nervous system, no single command center, how do thousands of separate zooids coordinate their actions? How does the colony decide to turn, to ascend, or to descend? Scientists debate whether there's a master zooid, a subtle chemical gradient, or perhaps a form of distributed emergent intelligence at play. The truth, as fascinating as it is humbling, is that we simply don't know. This decentralized nightmare of coordination challenges our anthropocentric understanding of intelligence and decision-making. It forces us to consider alternative models of biological control, perhaps akin to swarm intelligence or complex adaptive systems. The siphonophore is a living puzzle, a testament to the vast unknowns that still lie hidden in our own planet's oceans. The siphonophore represents a truly different path for evolution, a radical alternative to the single-bodied organisms we typically encounter. While most complex life forms on Earth evolved specialized organs within a single, unified body, the siphonophore evolved specialized bodies that function as organs within a larger collective entity. It's a modular, distributed system that offers incredible insights into biological organization. This superorganism provides a compelling model for what alien life might look like. If we were to discover life on distant moons like Europa or Enceladus, teeming with subsurface oceans, it might not conform to our terrestrial definitions of individual creatures. It might be a system, a collective, a network of interdependent parts, much like the siphonophore. It expands our imagination, showing us that life's possibilities are far stranger and more diverse than we often conceive. As the ROV's lights dim, the colossal siphonophore glows faintly for a moment, a ghostly apparition in the inky blackness before disappearing back into the abyss. It is the longest thing in our oceans, yet it possesses no heart to beat, no brain to ponder. It is a stark reminder that the deep sea doesn't play by our familiar rules. It crafts its own. If a 150-foot clone beast, a decentralized superorganism, is just one creature, what other unimaginable forms of life are hiding in the trenches, mistaken for geological features, or simply overlooked in the vast, unexplored darkness? The ocean's depths are a frontier of discovery, a living museum of evolutionary innovation. The Siphonophore is not just an animal, it's a profound question mark, urging us to look deeper, to question our assumptions, and to embrace the boundless mysteries that still await us. Join the expedition into the unknown. Share your thoughts on this incredible superorganism in the comments below. What other deep-sea mysteries intrigue you? Subscribe to our channel for more journeys into the cutting edge of science and exploration, and help us uncover the secrets of our planet's last great wilderness.